Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have a reachable email or phone number and a secure password. This prevents verification delays. Once ready, open the App Store or Google Play, download Instagram, and tap Open. When the welcome screen appears, choose Sign Up and enter your email or phone. This links your account for recovery. Make sure to type a username you want. Instagram will suggest variations if taken. After entering name and birthday, proceed to the next screen to set credentials and privacy basics. Next, you fill in details: your display name, chosen username, and a strong password. Aim for at least 8 characters with letters and numbers for safety. After you submit, Instagram will send a verification code to the email or phone you provided. Enter that code promptly to confirm your identity and avoid resending. Once verified, you'll be asked whether to connect to Facebook. Link if you want cross-posting and friend suggestions, or skip this to keep accounts independent and focus on contacts and profile setup. To complete setup, add a profile photo and write a concise bio so others recognize you. Include contact info if applicable. Choose privacy settings, public or private, based on who you want to reach. Explore suggestions and follow a few accounts to populate your feed, and enable notifications if you want real-time updates. If verification or login fails, request a new code, confirm you entered the right email or phone, and check spam or blocked messages. Then retry or use account recovery options if.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.